Hello everybody again. So today we're going to learn about lines that are neither vertical nor horizontal. Let's start. The diagram shows two different lines. If you take a point A on the line and then move to the right, then on graph A you need to move up to return to the line, and on graph B you need to move down. The gradient of a line measures how steep the line is and is calculated by dividing the change in the y-coordinate by the change in the x-coordinate. For graph A, the y changes 8 and the x increases 2, so the gradient is 8 halves, which is 4. For graph B, the y changes negative 9, negative because you need to move down to return to the line, and the x increase is 4. So the gradient is negative 9 fourths, which is negative 2.25. It is essential that you think about x increases only. Whether the y changes positive or negative tells you what the sign of the gradient will be. Worth example 3. Calculate the gradient of each line. Leave your answer as a whole number or fraction in its lowest term. Notice that the graph passes through the points 2, 4, and 4, 10. So the gradient is 3. And here, notice that the graph passes through the point 2, 1, and 4, 0. So the gradient is negative a half. Worth example 4. Calculate the gradient of the line that passes through the points 3, 5, and 7, 17. Think about where the points would be in relation to each other on a pair of axes. You don't need to draw this accurately, but the diagram will give you an idea of how it may appear. So the gradient is 17 minus 5 divided by 7 minus 3, or 12 quadrants with 2.
Chị thấy là kiểu nó quá là
Exercise 10.3. Question 1. Calculate the gradient of each line. Leave your answers as a fraction in its lowest terms.
This is
the
you.
gradient of each line is
That is you.
3, 2, 5, negative 3, negative 5, negative 1, a third, 2/3, and a quarter. Question 2. Calculate the gradient of the line that passes through both points in each case. Leave your answer as a whole number or a fraction in its lowest terms. The gradient of the line that passes through both points is 3, 1.
That's literally
2,
you right there.
negative 2, negative 3 again, and 17 quarters. Applying your skills. Question 3. If the car climbs 60 meters vertically, how far must the car have traveled horizontally? So the gradient is 2/15. So we need to times 60 meters by 15 halves because we need 60 to be bigger. We need that number to be larger. And also because here the gradient 2/15 is less than 1. So it's not shot up like this, it's just slowly going up. So the horizontal distance is going to be more than the vertical distance. So 60 times 15 halves equals 60 divided by 2, divide both sides by 2, 30 times 15, which is 450 meters. So, that's the end of this video. Thank you and goodbye!